you. All right, darlings, now I'm moving in. I'm moving in here. We've been figuring out a solo for Hallelujah for the ukulele. It's over the part where we go la 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 la, and then we start singing again. So instead of la la la, we're going to pick out a melody, and we did this by ear, and we came up with a little chart. So let me show you, and I will attach this in the email. So it's G, 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 A, A, A. I'm identifying the notes now. G, 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 A, 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 G, F, G, G. Let's do that again. G, 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 A, A, and you can sing it with me. G, 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 A, 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 G, F, G, G, and then the strum. And then we identified what the chords are, so we can add that element of chord melody. So the first measure is a C, and I'm just using this little C form that we talked about before, and I'm block chording it. The melody is falling on the E string, so that means we cannot play that A string there. But we can now. The next measure, we can play an A minor. And then the third measure is the same as the first. Fourth measure is the same as the second. Okay, let's just do the first four measures together. 2, 3, 4. You notice I'm laying the chord down on the downbeat, and the rest of the notes in the measure are single notes. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make an F. We're going to go to the fifth measure, and we're going to hold that F for the sixth measure. Now let me show you what I did on that sixth measure, because that's the trickiest part of this solo. We've got an F chord, I'm holding it down. We've got an A note. I'm using my baby finger to make the G note, and then letting go, because we've been holding on to that F form, and there's our F note right there. So again, this is the sixth measure of this solo. So it's, let's hum it. La, 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 la. Now the difference between what we were doing before, where we were just picking out the melody, is I'm holding that chord form there, so I have it handy to drop in some harmony when I want to. So let's try it from the fifth measure. 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 ba. Again, 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 ba. So we're winding up this chord melody solo. I'm going back to that little C form, that little baby C form, to catch a pretty G note and get a pretty chord here. And then G. So now a G chord. So let's just try that solo together. 2, 3, 4. Hear my foot tapping. 2, 3. as you move along with this, can start adding little notes here and there. So you can just do a melody, you can do a chord melody, you can add little embellishments. Here's a lot of directions you can go with this song. All right.